Enjoy these camellias as we enter into my home for our Christmas home tour of 2018. This stunning nativity scene will be in the description box below. It is from the improvementscatalog.com website. This wreath was made from hydrangea leaves for my wedding, and the berries and the Merry Christmas sign are all from the Dollar Tree.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 2018 Christmas home tour. So if you want to see how I decorated this year, just keep watching. Also, if you're new, please click that red subscribe button so you don't miss another video this season.
This is what you see when you first walk in the front door. You will see my banisters decorated with green garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. The softer garland that is on the photos back there are from the Dollar Tree, as well as these red stockings and the Merry Christmas sign. They are all from the Dollar Tree.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to
the lighted garland that is all around my staircase, my stairways, and my banisters are all from Hobby Lobby. I got them last year. No, I'm sorry, 2 years ago. They were 50% off. Also, those wreaths, the one that's small and the one that's large, were from a garage sale that I actually got for free because someone gave them to me before I even got married, so they've lasted this long.
Christmas
These large white wreaths were from Lowe's, and the brand is Allen Roth. I bought them a few years back. I have two. One is there in the entry hallway, and one is in my kitchen on the pantry door. This Jingle Bell wreath is from Hobby Lobby a few years back, and I bought that little bird and I just added it to it, and it looks just kind of whimsical.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door we talked.
This is our main living room, and we bought a flock tree this year. This is our first one. It is from Walmart. I have this tree featured in my Decorate With Me video, and I'll link that above and below if you want to watch that.
Change from now on, yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
The Merry Christmas banner that is on my tree I made a few years ago from a Pinterest pin. I'll try to find that and link that down below. Also, this cotton that you see strung around my Christmas tree, I made with simply cotton balls and fishing wire and hot glue, and I made those for my daughter's first birthday 3 years ago.
From this Christmas on,
On my mantle, you will see a cotton garland as well as 4 small Christmas pillows. Those were craft projects that I did for my daughter's first birthday as well as for our Christmas, I want to say 2 years ago. So that's a tip. Go to the craft store and try to find some little kits out there that you can make at home pretty quickly and add a personal touch to your home decor. Now we're entering my kitchen and dining area. You're going to see the same garland from the Dollar Tree hung around the windows and the mirror. Also, you're going to see these bell light up sound lights, I would say. There's a little speaker on the shelf that when you clap, they come on and they light up and they dance, and oh my goodness, the kids love it. So I would definitely go get them. They're from Big Lots.
That snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas.
As we enter into the kitchen, you're going to see that there is very minimal decoration in here, but I did reuse a few items. That white garland with the tassels and the cotton balls were made for my daughter's first birthday again. Obviously, it was themed Winter Wonderland, and I got to use a lot of the decorations for just general Christmas decorations for every year. These towels are also from, I think, Kroger. If you have a Kroger near you, they're very, very inexpensive.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live.
Here on my formal dining room table, you're going to see the nativity scene, and I bought the nativity scene from Big Lots about 4 to 5 years ago, and the same garland that is from the Dollar Tree, as well as reused floral arrangements from my home and from previous Christmases. I believe most of these are from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and the red and Merry Christmas cloths are from that pillow kit that I was talking about from the living room. So I did not use those, and I saved them, and I used them for the centerpiece for my formal dining.
It will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. When everything is white.
Now we are about to enter into the second floor of our home. You're going to see these two wreaths. This large wreath and that smaller wreath were from a garage sale that someone had purchased, and they just showed up at church one day and gave them to me. So I was so thankful. They've been with me for like 7 or 8 years. Also, the lidded garland that is on my banisters are all from Hobby Lobby. And this little bear countdown to Christmas is also from Big Lots. And so every morning my almost 3-year-old comes and changes the date. And by doing that, she learns her numbers, and she also gets more and more excited as we get closer to that magical number 25. So it's a really fun activity for us each morning.
Green or red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle.
This green tree is an actual outdoor tree, and I put it in my 3-year-old's room because she just loves the twinkle lights. It's from Big Lots.
My presents stacked in piles. Take me away. Christmas Day.
This shiny purple tree is from so many years ago, I can't remember, but I've had it in my life before marriage. So I added it to the girls' bathroom because their bathroom is themed purple, and I just thought it would be an extra touch for this Christmas since my oldest is 3 and she probably enjoys it way more now that she's older.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
Welcome to the Master Suite. You're going to see some village light up houses on each of our end tables, as well as a white Christmas tree that is also the Allen Roth brand from Lowe's, and twinkle lights above our bed that I think I got on clearance from Walmart. And the white pillow that's on our bed was also from my now 3-year-old's first birthday, so I saved that. And then you have those little 2 picture owls that I put photos in now. I just didn't film it this day, so I put some photos in there of my husband and I during our engagement photos. And that white Merry Christmas block is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. So enjoy.
To have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is